We just made it through Siskiyou Summit. Snow was coming down over Siskiyou Summit at about 3 to 4 inches an hour. My hotel is about 40 miles away in Mount Shasta City. And I'm gonna try and get there before the worst of this storm hits. Here's an update. We're still stuck in traffic, waiting to get past the chain checkpoint. And here we are at the Best Western, Mount Shasta City. Just arrived not long ago. This is the parking lot. See some snowbanks out there. Fairly impressive. People walking around out here. Got a rain-snow mix. As you can see. Some chains on the car. There's some of the snow on the bushes. The sledding. It's actually pretty thick. Get that on the ground. There's some people playing in the snow. How you guys doing?
Good.
How much snow do you think we're gonna get?
Huh?
How much snow do you think we're gonna get?
I don't know. Maybe a foot or two.
You guys out from out of town? Just traveling through?
Oh yeah, I'm from Reading. Took us 5 hours, 6 hours to get here.
6 hours?
Yeah, 6 hours with the roadblocks and all the snow.
Yeah. You know they're forecasting like 5 feet?
What?
They're forecasting like 5 feet.
Yeah, 5 to 6 feet. Yeah.
How long are you staying?
Saturday.
We might be stranded till beyond if it's really bad.
Really?
Don't.
Having a snowball fight?
Oh, whoops.
Are you guys from Reading too? You were from Reading?
From Trinidad.
Trinidad?
Yeah, down the coast a little bit, about 3 hours from here.
Oh, okay. How long are you staying here?
We're gonna be here till Sunday.
Sunday?
Yeah.
Do that. I'll get that on the web too.
You're my cousin. I know where you're sleeping.
Here's a good shot of snow.